Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be reviewing this First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. This is a standard battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm, and it's been around for quite some time now, and it's still being produced to this day. This alarm has an electrical and mechanical sensor, which is the most accurate technology for detecting carbon monoxide. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this alarm's design. Unfortunately, this alarm does feel rather cheap. The plastic on this alarm is rather thin, and it feels like it could break easily if it's dropped from a pretty high place. The horn does look good. It looks like it does have a good quality horn, so I'll give it that. And this is a pretty standard visual indicator, pretty standard First Alert visual indicator. It is pretty small, but the LED on it is actually pretty bright, so you can actually see it pretty much anywhere, which is a good sign. There is no mounting base for this alarm, so you just gotta drill in 2 screws and then attach these, and then it's good to go. Like, there's no mounting base on this thing. To replace the battery, just simply take it off and then open this battery door. Then you have your battery. Just take that out, drain any possible power, and then put the battery back in. And you should expect a longer than usual flash when you put the battery in, which it just did. And then close the battery door, and you're good to go. This alarm has the test button, which can also act as a hush button to silence any nuisance alarms, which can be useful just in case if this alarm ever has a false alarm. This alarm has a built-in end-of-life warning, which is 5 chirps every minute, to let you know that it's time to replace the alarm. Now let's go ahead and test this alarm. I will not be using real carbon monoxide, as that's going to be way too dangerous to set up, and since carbon monoxide is invisible, I will not know how much there is in the air, which can be a problem. So I'm not going to risk poisoning myself just to test this alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and test the alarm manually by pushing the button. So let's go ahead and test it. It's a simple push and hold. And there you have it. This alarm did perform its manual push button test. The alarm operation was pretty good, I should say. It was pretty smooth. And the horn on it was actually fairly loud. And I really like the bright visual indicator. That's a good touch. This has been a full review and test of the First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. On a rating scale of 1 being the worst and 10 being the best alarm, I'm going to give this alarm a 6 out of 10. Although it's not my favorite, it is a decent carbon monoxide alarm for its price point. You can get this alarm anywhere from $20 to $25 if I recall correctly. This alarm is still being produced to this day. So yeah, I feel this alarm would be good for a home, but I wouldn't have it in a commercial setting. You do have better options out there for small commercial settings such as apartments and hotels. But it is okay for a home. I will give it that. So that's going to do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this alarm and if you will buy one. And if you would like to request an alarm to be reviewed, let me know in the comments. And if I happen to have that alarm in my collection, I will very gladly review it. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you again soon.